In this tutorial, we'll be covering entering location information into the Daycare Solver childcare management system. So it is of importance to understand that the first set of information we should enter into our system is that of locations. This is going to allow us to enter our pertinent center information and then from that utilize that information as we go into other modules. So with the Daycare Solver childcare management system up and running, we're going to go right into our locations module or menu. And then from that, our center location form appears. What you're currently seeing here is two records. You can see that at the bottom here, two records of demo daycare data that we've put in just as an example to you. However, as a new institution, new organization putting in data, you can do two things. One, we can remove this data simply by hitting delete if you no longer need it, or simply click the new button here towards the top. I'm going to click new, and now it gives us the ability to insert our pertinent center information. And so I'm just going to make up a center name here, and that's going to be ABC 123 Daycare. And for the fun of it, we're going to make it incorporated. I'm going to put in the street address. We'll make this up. 123 Main Street. Enter the city. Let's say it's in Orlando and the state is Florida. Something you want to note here as it pertains to the state in any of the Daycare Solver forms, we're not putting in the entire spelling of that state. We're only putting in the abbreviation, the 2-character abbreviation. So in that case, then, the abbreviation for the state of Florida will be FL. And I'll just make up a zip code. And then by hitting tab or clicking in the next field, we'll put in a phone number. And for a director name, we'll just put in Jane Doe. Right? With that information there, let's make sure we hit save. Always important to hit that save button. And now that location has been added to our system. Keep in mind, if you have multiple locations, all you need to do is hit the new button, and then it will add another location for your organization or institution. And if you'd like to toggle between and find out that information regarding other locations, come down towards the bottom of that menu. You can see here the remaining locations that we have already inputted into the system. Also, if you needed to do a quick search regarding certain information regarding that location, click the find button here and make sure that we're looking at the current document and as well any part of that field and just type in any information. So perhaps I wanted to look up part of the name. I didn't remember what part of the name was. I could simply type in demo, hit find next, and you can see it's automatically gone to that record for us. Again, if you have any further questions or concerns, feel free to go to the Help Center. It's a direct link to the Help Center on the main navigation screen towards the bottom left here. Hope you have a great day.